This video will show you how to install the JuLI Stage. Open the box and remove the instrument from in the box. Unscrew the filter change lock module until it spins freely. Gently pull out the filter change lock module screw from the instrument. Please check all components. These are components of the PC. Connect the stand to the bottom board. Turn the screw to the right. Connect the stand to the back of the PC. Put the USB cables in the USB ports of the control box. Put the other tip of the USB cables in the USB ports of the back of the PC. Be aware of the markers in connection cable tips. Plug the connection cable into connection port of the control box. Remove the warning label. Plug power cable and the connection cable into the ports. Run the JuLI Stage software, then it starts up. Open the door of the incubator. Put the instrument into the incubator. Plug power cable and the connection cable into the rear of the instrument. Now, ready to use the JuLI Stage.